going? Today we're gonna install some beadlock wheels. Yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna do, put the rim on the empty box, and I'm gonna start getting all these bolts out. Rim on top of the box. This rim uses a 1/2-inch bolt, so I'm gonna start taking all these bolts out. Okay, bolts are out, ring is off. Alright, so the next thing you want to do, you're going to read the tire. You're going to check to see if there's an inside and an outside, and if there's a direction. So this tire, same either side, which means there's no inside or outside, and also the direction doesn't matter. And the next thing is you're going to look for a yellow dot. No dot on this side, dot on this side. This yellow dot means is that this is the lightest part of the tire. So you're going to put the yellow dot on the valve stem, which would be the heaviest side of the rim. We'll get some soapy water. Spray down the bead. We're going to try and work the rim in. Line up the yellow dot, the valve stem. Get that lined up. We'll start pushing the tire on a little bit. There we go. You want to make sure it's all the way in, all the way around the top. You get your ring. Start them by hand, the bolts. I'm gonna do one at 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Now I'm just gonna start doing a crisscross pattern, just get them all snug for now. Alright, the last thing you do, torque wrench. They want it at 18 foot-pounds. Alright, then after I got them all, I'm just gonna go all the way around, check them. Alright, so the last thing we're gonna do, get this back bead on. Alright, beadlocks mounted.